up, folks? It's me again. I have what do you call it? Don't look at him. Don't look at him. He's my partner in crime here. Ow! Stop. I do a weekly what's new, and I'm gonna get beat up. You want to do a? Let me show them parts.
What?
Let me show our videos parts. Look, we got. We have a. What's this? Tell them, say it's a Motion Pro brake cable.
Motion brake cable. No.
Okay, it's a Motion Pro that cable. Don't hit me with the cable. Okay, stop. Okay, put on the bench. Put on the bench. This is I'm fixing the big red. This is for the big red. See the cable? Look. See, it goes on the brake. It's for the brakes. Okay, put it there.
Okay.
What about?
Okay.
What's this? What is that? That is the
bike.
fender for whose bike?
Mine.
Yours. And what kind of bike do you have?
Tiny one.
He has a tiny one. Wait, I'll show you. You want to see part of your bike? That's the fender. Oh my God, this is heavy. It goes on here. Let's see. Alright, this is the front of your bike. It's a CT70. See how nice that is?
Yeah. Now I'm in.
See? I'm gonna put that back so I don't scratch it. We're waiting for the frame to get back. Tell them that. So we're waiting for the frame.
We're waiting for a frame.
Yeah, we gotta get the frame back.
And I can't feel.
Can't see. Alright, put that down. What
And
else
like
do we got? Oh, don't bend that. Tell them what this is.
This is the.
See, that's cloth spray.
It's crop spray.
Yeah. I seen this on 2 other channels. One was, what was it? I don't know what channel. And the other one was this old Trike, which is cool. So we got the spray. I'll show them here, see? It's for cleaning fenders and stuff. I'm going to try it out, see how it works. Want to try it out later?
Yeah.
Okay, we'll put that there. We also got some Harvest King. Say Harvest King penetrating oil.
Pension oil.
Yeah, because I like trying different ones. So you like trying different ones?
Yeah.
And if you go on Amazon, you can buy like 1,000 these little straws.
Yeah.
You can buy them on Amazon. Lots of them. So we got some of this stuff. I want to try it out, see if it works. It's probably all the same.
Yeah, we're going to try that there.
Just in case, we got another can because they're 2 for the price of 1 or 1 for the price of 2. Oh, look. This is cool too. What is this? Tell them, say it's Freeze Off by CRC.
Off.
And what does it do?
It freezes.
Freezes.
Yeah.
Freeze Off. It freezes bolts. They actually work pretty good, so I bought another one. See, I have a... Where'd it go? I lost it. I had one somewhere. I think I was done. Oh, it's over there. Anyway, we got that too. We'll put that back over here. My anvil gets really used to this.
Yeah.
It's a paint can stand.
No, I see a 5.
You see a 5?
Yeah.
Where's the 5? Do you see a 6, 7 anywhere?
No.
No. We also... I found this in my car. See, look. It's a piece of a bike. Show them the piece of the bike.
This is the piece of the bike.
And I got one more goodie to go in the bag. I got this right here. This is a pull cord kit for a Honda ATC something. I don't think I ordered the right one. So you want to show them that? Show them that. This is the piece of the big red thing I got.
Yeah, and show the
Yeah. So cool, huh?
yeah.
Very cool.
It's
Yeah. We'll put that there.
Yeah.
Are we all done now?
Yep.
Yep. Say bye. Say thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching.
Say thumbs up. Don't forget to give a like and subscribe. He's gonna be the new caretaker of this channel.
Yeah.
Just kidding. Do you want to be on the channel next time?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
And,
Right.
and look, my shirt.
Ooh, look at that. Cool shirt. It's a big shark thing. Yeah. Let's move the cans in. We can see your shirt.
Bye.
Say bye. Don't forget to
See you
like.
later.
Don't forget to click subscribe and like and all that stuff.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. See you later.
Go on Amazon.
Okay.